Hi, thank you everyone for watching this TV video. On behalf of the Jsb-Builder, I will conduct the SIC for you, Safety Induction course. So what is the SIC? SIC is the stand for Safety Induction course. This is a basic requirement for everyone to enter the site to understand the regulation and environment safety and health before you can entering the site. Who is responsible for the safety? No one else. There's you, other person. Jsb-Builder have the quality, environment, health and safety policy, which is SAFE. What is S? S is provide a clean and safe working environment. A is always comply with the regulation. F is focus on quality service for client. E is ensure the effectiveness of quality, safety and health environments. On behalf of management, we will provide sufficient resources for all the people. Second, we commit to continuous improvement on all assets management and performance. Third, we have to comply with all the requirements related to all asset hazard. Fourth, we commit to involve all the employee in all asset management. All asset policy is integrated with other Unix system and policy implement program such as contractors. Okay, we come to the worker rights and responsibility. You have the right not to work if you are opinion that the works cannot be carried out safely. Do report to WHH department if you are forced to work in unsafe condition. Do not walk outdoor during the adverse weather. It is your responsibility to highlight any incident, unsafe act, and condition to your supervisor immediately. Do inform your supervisor if you are feeling unwell. Okay, Jsb-Builder have all the permit to work weekly basis. Only supervisor and above allowed to apply the permits to work. The supervisor have to comply all the safety requirements for his work all the time. Permit to work is including lifting, work at heights, scaffold, demolition, excavation, confined space, and hot work permits. How to apply the permit to work? The contractor, supervisor, and above had to sign off the permit to work and submit to safety department. Safety department will review and endorse a permit and submit to Jsb-Builder project manager for approval. The PM itself can consider all necessary factors will be approved or rejected the permits. The copy of the approved permit must be available all the time. Can be in digital or hard copy. Supervisors are to ensure proper housekeeping are done before enclose the permit back to safety departments. Permits may be held up if the contractor fails to maintain the good housekeeping. Now we come to site access. For all the personnel that intend to work on site must attend SIC. Then we will issue the SIC sticker for you. For the traffic limits, on site we only allow 10 km per hour. For all the vehicle entering to site must be guided with traffic controller. Okay, we talk about the worker visitor site access. Only the demarcated access are allowed the passenger to walk all the time. For the general, we are not allowed people to smoking on site. Only the designated area can be smoking. We not allow eating or drinking at construction site. You only can eat and drink at canteen area. For all the food waste, after you eat right, have to throw in the rubbish bin all the time. Do not fighting on site. If we found the people fighting on site, both of you will be kicked off from the site. PPE, the basic requirement, we must come with the safety helmet with chin strap and also the safety suit. Safety glove. So the picture is show that what kind of the safety glove that you can wear during the site works. On site welding works, when we handle chemical, when we rigger the items, and electrical works. Different type of the works come with different type of the safety glove. When we come to the safety glass, safety goggle, we must wear the safety goggle when we at works. Then we come to hearing protection. When we do the guiding, we hacking, must plug off the ear plug to protect yourself. We do not allow people to wear the 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 damaged PPE. Ensure your PPE are in good condition all the times. We talk about the manual lifting. The left hand side is not a correct way. You can refer to second picture and third picture how to lift up the item. For protection, safety harness. All the safety harness must be double lanyard. Okay, similar to the picture that you can see in the slide. For protection barricade, for the open side, we must barricade off. Physical barricades. Do not leave the opening hole unprotected. This is very dangerous for the four openings. We must cover it all the time, same like the right picture. For the wall openings, it must come with the cover, because this is very dangerous for the people that walk near the wall opening. Similar to the possibility of the material fall through the opening on the floor, we must be covered with the box. What is wrong? What's wrong for this? This is the open side. The worker perform the works without the safety harness and the proper barricades. The left hand side is wrong. Then the right hand side is the correct way. We must build out the barricade and toward all the time. Then hook your safety harness on top. When work at height, we must ensure that ground below are clear. Barricade the affected area. Then also put out the warning sign to prevent the people walk nearby your working area and hit by the falling object. So for the protruding rebar, we must cover all the time. For the scaffold, we only allow the qualified erector with the immediate supervision of the registered scaffold supervisor. For the mobile scaffold, we must place down to lock the wheel and also hook the safety harness all the time. For the welding safety, we must come with all the proper PPE and fire blanket, also fire extinguisher. For the excavation or movement of the heavy machinery, we must have benchman. Okay, for the machinery and equipment safety, only the qualified person are allowed to operate heavy machinery. like forklift. Okay, so for the construction side, when we operate the machinery, right, we must take care. Then the management have to take care of the movement of the machinery. For the lifting activity, we must come with the lifting team, lifting supervisor, signalman, and riggerman. Okay, you can see the picture, right? Wearing the loose clothes. This is very dangerous. Yeah. Stack all the pipe properly and tie it together. So this is we talk about protruding nail. When we see this one, right, we need to nail down. Deep containment. We have to provide the deep tray to ensure there is no oil leakage. Stagnant water. When we encounter the stagnant water, we have to remove all the water to prevent the mosquito breeding. DB box. Okay, we only allowed to use the industrial plugs. Use the industrial socket with the ELCB only. Okay, this is electrical safety. We have mentioned just now. So for all the electrical cable have to uh, lift it up 2 meters above the ground. We do not allow people to perform the water activity near to the DB box. Only the trained people are allowed to open the DB box and control, turn on or off the DB box. Always ensure there is a sufficient light when you at work. For the excavation, we must ensure the soil condition, shoring condition, access condition, barricade condition are safe before you work. Before we go down to the excavation pit, we must ensure that there is a proper shoring, also the proper access. When we work at confined space, the confined space have to check by the confined space assessor before you can go down. For the ladder safety, the three last rung is have to be covered, and the ladder have to in good working condition. Okay, we do not allow to use ladder near the building edge. Okay, all the subcon are to provide the first aid box and first aider on site. In case of emergency, do contact the safety department immediately. Then we will get the people to help you. Okay, when we talk about a fire emergency, we do not allow anything block the access. Fire emergency. In the event of emergency, follow the instruction of the people assigned the people guide you to the safe area and do not rush. We will carry out the daily toolbox meeting. Then the supervisor will brief you all the RA and several procedure. Also ensure the mass housekeeping every day. Okay, we have the safety committee meeting every month. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. This is a SIC for you. I hope you work safely all the time and come safely and go home safely. On behalf of Chinson Builder, thank you very much for everyone for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.